In front of me is REALME 16 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. First of all, open Settings and scroll to click on this section called Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Tap on Change Settings at the bottom right corner, and then make sure the switcher next to Show Unlocked is purple. Without it, your contacts won't be accessible from lock screen, so double check it's on. Then go back. Tap on Add Contact and click on the one you wanna set up. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Now, to manage your contacts, use those three dots next to the chosen one and operate those options from the pop-up. Move down, move up, or remove. Don't worry, remove options means only deleting your contact from emergency contact list, not from your phone, so tap on remove. Now let's check out if it worked. When I switch off my screen, turn it back on and swipe up, I can tap on emergency call at the bottom. Then hold the blue icon, this one, and swipe it to the right to see my emergency contacts. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!